Hello. Welcome to another episode of Home Improvement with Hannah. It's been quite a while since I've worked on this bathroom, mostly because I've been spending my time attempting to be the Bob Ross of music education, as well as re-potty training my own child. It's been an adventure. I finally acquired the quarter round that I've been dreaming of. I'm going to attempt to install it today. It's primed and ready to go. The first thing I'm going to do is measure and then cut the quarter round accordingly, according to the area that I need the quarter round to be. And while I'm at it, I might cut this rat tail too. For this part of the project, I'm going to need two things: a saw and a miter box. Why must you do this? I cut my first piece. As you can see,